Returning to the Oneness, a Center for the Growth of the Soul presents Twin Flame Tapestry of Life Restoration with Supreme Father, Supreme Mother, and others by Aurora. Before you start this recording, please light a candle and place it on the floor between your feet or on a table in front of you. Pause this recording if you need to do it now. It is suggested that you listen to this recording as often as you can, even daily, through December 2017.
Supreme Father of all that is, you send your energies to me with this dream that I now channel and ask your energies to come in, to share it with others. Supreme Father, Supreme Mother of all that is, come now through this channeling with the message you gave me. Bringing in the great I Am and Om, an Ancient of Days and Mother who art in heaven. Feel Ancient of Days and the Mother who art in heaven to be with you now. Sitting with your candle, either between your feet or in front of you. We ask for the Supreme Father and Supreme Mother of all that is to bring their energies of healing, illumination, and attunement to yourself. If it is for your highest good and that of your twin flame, Supreme Father and Supreme Mother will assist in bringing that being to you. For this is about healing the tapestry of creation. You are there along with your twin flame. The fabric between you has been ripped apart. In the beginning, you were with one, with your twin flame in this tapestry. This tapestry is like the womb of the Supreme Mother, where all of us exist as one family. You have a place on this tapestry of life, this tapestry of creation. See yourself now. And right next to you, but torn as if there was a cut or a rip, see your twin flame. It is the greatest desire of Supreme Father and Supreme Mother to heal the womb of creation and to heal the children. Allow the threads of this divine creation from Supreme Father and Supreme Mother to come down into the tapestry of creation. The great I Am flowing through your mighty I Am presence to help heal that which is on the tapestry that represents you. See the golden and silver threads coming in to both you and your twin flame, healing all the abuses, harm, and danger since your 0 point of creation. From the moment of our existence, let them, in this womb most sacred, heal you. Adorn you in fine filaments of energy and garments, adorning your hair. Ancient of days, the Father who art in heaven and Mother who art in heaven, come to the physical plane and sit with each one listening to this, helping to reconstruct, heal, illuminate, and attune not only that one listening, but the twin flame of the one listening, and any others throughout creation. This gift of grace is always extended. With intent, see yourself being healed, for you have but to ask. Now see the threads between you and your twin flame being bound back together with beautiful filaments of energy, and your hands being joined. One of your hands being placed in his in this tapestry of life. The vibrational energy of this tapestry is alive. See yourselves being put together as the most beautiful couple you can be. A complete picture of the puzzle. You have but to ask. You have but to receive. That is it. Receive this gift of grace. You may have your twin flame even sitting with you now. You in the physical, and your twin flame was brought in to hold your hand, and you have it over the candle, or you're moving that hand. That is to show you that your twin flame energy, his or her hand is holding yours, perhaps over the candle flame, or perhaps to your heart, as the healing and illumination and attunement of you two is taking place. Let this continue through 12/12 and all of December. Let the codes of alignment and attunement and illumination of the twin flame couples occur. Let the earth feel the pitter-pat of these healed couples, of twin flame energies that create the twin flame consciousness and twin flame energies flowing into the earth, showing the healed tapestry of creation. And so it is. Amen.